How to delete all emails on Gmail for Windows. If you want to delete all your emails from Gmail on Windows, you will need to use the web version of email. Click on your browser. I use in this video Google Chrome, but you can use any browser. Now on the address bar, write mail.google.com. You need to be logged into your account. If not, write the email and password and log in. Click on the selection box from the top. If you have more emails, you will get a notification to select all emails. Click on that also if you have more emails. Tap on Delete button from the top. You have now deleted all emails from your Gmail on Windows. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.